Clinton with Hellgate Equipment, looking at a 2018 4066R. Has a 440R detachable loader. The R4 tires and rims are brand new. Previous owner kept the tires that were on it and brought it to his new tractor. Standard duty 6-foot bucket, nice and straight. This is a deluxe cab, and we have 2 rear hydraulic remotes, a beacon. One more thing I need to check. We did add an engine block heater as well. It's our 4-wheel drive, of course, 65 engine horsepower, 4-cylinder turbocharged Yanmar diesels. Exterior rear view mirrors. Rear lights, rear wiper, category 1 3-point, 540 rear PTO, mechanical SCVs. Raise and lower your 3-point, move the tractor forward and back, all from the fender. 3-speed hydrostatic transmission, air ride seat. Heat, air conditioning, of course. 639 engine hours.